Is your Samsung TV refusing to turn on, leaving you staring at a blank screen? Let's explore how to troubleshoot this common yet frustrating issue. First, let's address the most fundamental aspect, power supply. Ensure that your TV is securely connected to a functioning power outlet. It may seem basic, but a loose connection or a faulty outlet can often be the problem. If the power connection is intact, the next step is to inspect the power cord itself. Look for any visible signs of damage or wear. A compromised power cord can prevent your TV from receiving the necessary power to operate. Assuming the power cord is in good condition, we must consider the possibility of an internal hardware issue. Samsung TVs, like all electronic devices, are susceptible to component failures. One common issue is a malfunctioning power supply board. The power supply board converts the electrical current from your outlet into a form that your TV can use. If this board is defective, your TV will not power on. Diagnosing and repairing a power supply board typically requires professional expertise. However, before seeking professional help, there are a few more steps you can take. Perform a soft reset by unplugging your TV from the power source for at least 30 seconds. This can sometimes resolve minor software glitches that may be preventing your TV from turning on. If a soft reset does not yield results, consider performing a factory reset. This will revert your TV to its original settings, potentially resolving any software issues. Be aware that this will erase all your custom settings and preferences. In some cases, the issue may lie with the remote control rather than the TV itself. Ensure that the remote's batteries are fresh and properly installed. Additionally, try using the power button on the TV itself to rule out a faulty remote. If all else fails, it may be time to consult Samsung's customer support or a certified technician. They possess the specialized knowledge and tools required to diagnose and repair more complex issues. Troubleshooting a Samsung TV that won't turn on involves a systematic approach. Verifying the power supply, inspecting the power cord, considering internal hardware issues, performing resets, and checking the remote control. By following these steps, you can identify and potentially resolve the issue or determine when it's time to seek professional assistance. With patience and a methodical approach, you can overcome the frustration of a non-responsive Samsung TV. Thank you for watching, and may your viewing experience be uninterrupted and enjoyable.